For today's video, I am super excited. I'm going to be doing a review on a recent purchase that I made, and it is the Chanel 19 bag. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Stephanie here on YouTube, and if you like fashion, luxury, lifestyle videos, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I have been eyeing this bag for like so long, and it's like been on my wish list for quite some time. I just like couldn't get myself to purchase it just because of all the price increases, but finally I just decided to like go ahead and just buy it. I actually ended up like selling some of my purses, so that made me feel a little bit better, and probably the reason why I ended up getting it, so like it didn't seem as bad or like as much money that I was putting down towards this purse. I am absolutely in love. I mean, I really wanted the white with the gold chain, and then also obviously there is some silver chain to it, but I am so excited that I got this bag. Throughout this video, I am going to be showing you some model shots of what it does look like on me, but just keep in mind that I am 5'9", so the height difference might be a little bit different on like where it lays on you when it comes to like your body shape and all of that. So basically the first thing that I want to talk about is how difficult it really is to get this bag right now, especially in this color. So I just want to give like some advice if like this has been on your wish list, but you feel like every time you go to the Chanel store, they never have it in stock. I would definitely recommend, obviously if you have a sales associate, it would be a lot easier. But if you don't, I would definitely go to the store as soon as they drop any of the new seasons, and then kind of just walk in and see if they have any in stock. A lot of times also too, if you do go into the store and kind of tell them that you're looking for a certain bag, sometimes they could put you on like a potential waiting list. I did hear that like Chanel is trying to get rid of like reserves and waiting lists. I don't know how true that is because my essay kind of told me that, but she was saying it's like kind of like certain items where they can't really do that, or like pay in advance sometimes I used to do for some of my bags. That's like not a really thing anymore, like it has to do with like a certain product. I mean, I would just go into the store and just try it out and see what happens. But luckily for me, because I do have an essay, she pretty much just told me that a new season's coming out of a collection or a launch, so most likely they will be getting these in stores. So as soon as it came in, she texted me right away, and I literally had to run to the mall. I was just like, I'm coming, like I definitely want to get this bag. So that's how I was able to land this like bad boy over here. One thing that I really want to stress about right now though too is the sizing of this bag. I feel like this is the perfect size. So this one is in the Chanel 19 in the small size, because they actually do have two sizes for this one. They have the large and then the small. I think technically this one is considered the medium, and then there's the large or like the jumbo. Yeah, this just fits so much, and I definitely will get into my video of what exactly can fit in this bag, but I have a tendency to really like small bags, which is so bad because you really can't fit anything. It's like, here's my driver license, my lipstick, and my phone can barely fit in it. So I think that's like another reason why I decided to just go ahead and get this bag, because I was sick and tired of having like small bags that really couldn't fit anything. So I think the first thing that I really want to get into is, besides like this being white, I totally absolutely love how the chain is actually gold, and then it also does have silver, which is awesome because honestly, preferably I like gold things with, you know, like accents to it. Like I like gold jewelry, I usually like gold to the bag, but honestly, this looks really nice put together, and now it kind of makes it a little bit easier for me when I want to put on outfits. So I feel like this becomes more of like a casual bag that I can just wear with like everyday outfits, but then at the same time, just because the look of the bag, it also can be like a nice fancy bag that you could bring to like a nice dinner or something. So this bag is definitely like a good in-between. Let me go ahead and just show you guys exactly what it looks like up close. So obviously this is what the front looks like. It's still so new that I have like still the sticker here, and then if you go ahead and twist it open, then it just has black interior. I like to stuff my bags when I'm not using them, so that's why I still have this in it. But basically, yeah, just it's black inside, And then it has like a little zipper here for you to access and put stuff there that you need. And then another really cool thing about this bag is definitely the back, because it has like this little button over here where you can literally just put your phone here too, in case you didn't want to put it in the front pocket of your purse. I also definitely love how versatile this is. So obviously it has like this cute little handle here, but then also it has like the strap or crossbody strap, so you can wear it crossbody, you can wear it on your shoulder. And then of course you can just take this and kind of just put it on your elbow here and hold it like that. So there are definitely multiple ways of being able to wear this bag, which again, I keep saying is another reason why I like stress so much. If this is on your wish list, you should definitely get it, because it's definitely worth the money. One other thing that I want to point out that I absolutely love about this design too is specifically the strap also has like this little leather piece here that kind of is stuck right at the top of here. I feel like a lot of people actually hate this, but I honestly love it, because I feel like if it wasn't for this, the chain would kind of like dig into my shoulder. So this just makes it a very like comfortable way of like letting it lay on my shoulder, and like I don't feel like my shoulder is in pain at all. And also it's just like, again, I don't know if it's just because of my height, but I feel like it's like at the perfect angle of where it needs to be when I do wear it as a crossbody. Now I kind of just want to show you guys what exactly can fit in this bag. So right now I just have some stuff right next to me of like typical things that I can put in this bag. Of course, you probably could put more than what I'm about to show you guys, but let's see so far like what I have. So the first thing that I definitely always carry around with me is my little Dior compact wallet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right there. So still like plenty of room, obviously. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put in my Purell. Always have to have that. Sticking that right there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my lotion in here. And then I have my little Chanel lip gloss that I actually got as a Christmas gift, and I love it so much I'm actually wearing it right now. And it's such a cute, nice shade, so I like to carry this around with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that there. Then I have my car keys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that there as well. And then I have these little Chanel sunglasses that I like to carry around, so I'm gonna put that in there. And let me go get my cell phone so you guys can see it in here as well. Okay, so I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max phone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stick that in here as well. And as you guys can tell, I still have plenty of space. Like, I can put more on the top here, and I honestly can probably put more behind my phone if I wanted to. And again, like I mentioned, I don't even have to put my phone in here if there's more things that I want to put in the front here. So I can just go ahead and slip it in the back over here. So then I have plenty of space for more things in the front. But I think those are usually the essentials that I usually carry around, so most likely I won't really be carrying my phone in here. Probably just like emergency things, like if I just came back from the bank and I had cash, I'll probably just slip it in there. Or I don't know, something flat usually I'd probably put in the back here. It's pretty much everything that can fit in this bag. One thing that I did notice when watching reviews on this bag is that people say that it does have a tendency to sag a little bit when you put things in it. I kind of want to say that's more like the jumbo size or the larger size where it does that, just because it's bigger and you can obviously fit more. But as you guys can tell, it's really not sagging for me at all. So that was definitely something that was probably going to bother me. But again, I was just going to mention that you can get one of those bag organizers if you want it to have a little bit more of a structured like fit or look to it. So if that's like something that's been holding you back, definitely if you get like one of those bag fillers or anything, it shouldn't be the case of where it's sagging anymore. But like I said, I haven't really been having that problem. Maybe I'm wondering over time if it will, just like, you know, by wear and tear or anything. But for now, it's been pretty good. So I think the last thing that I just want to touch on is that unfortunately, this one is the lambskin as far as the material for this. They used to have it in goat skin, but they discontinued that. Now the only option is lambskin. But honestly, I can probably tell you guys that me using this for like a month now, it's been pretty sturdy. Not as bad as like the mini Chanel classic flap that I have, where I feel like if I scratch it, it's just like completely shown, or like I have to be super careful with it. That's really not the case for this one. I feel like It's definitely a little bit more durable than that one when it comes to the lambskin. That was something that kind of set me back of like wanting to get this bag, but I think once seeing it in person and kind of feeling it, I definitely noticed that it's a little bit of a better type of lambskin. So I was like okay with getting the bag after that. I think that's pretty much all that I really have for you guys on this bag. Of course, if you guys do have any questions, feel free to leave it down below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll check you guys out in my next video.